Okay, and then for the I, it say if the C equals to 9, and then the D equals to 65. So find the P and Q. Okay. Okay, I will try to. So 9 and 65. So 9 is oh, okay. 9 is here. So 65 is select. Okay, I will try to substitute, I think. This, so it say that the C, this, and X, D. The FX, the C and D, it is what? 9. The FX, okay, we'll use this here. So X minus 1 square minus 16. D is 65. Okay, so everything plus with 16. Delete the 16. So the middle part, I want it only have the X. So plus 16 become 25. X minus 1 square. Then plus 16. 16 become 81. And then after that, I will square root all of them. So this becomes 5, x minus 1, so 9. And then everything plus with 1. So I got 6, x, and this is 10. So the P and Q, the P it is equal to 6, the Q it is equal to 10. That is for the I. And then for the I, we find the expression of the F inverse. Okay, for the F inverse, okay, let's clean this first. Okay, y equals to x minus 1 square minus 16. So minus 16, I'm moving become y plus 16 equals to x minus 1 square. And then the square will become square root y plus 16 equals to x minus 1. So x equals to 1 plus minus square root y plus 16. And then it say what? The x order domain is positive constant, so it must be positive. So we only take the positive. So x equals to 1 plus square root y plus 16. And we change it back to f inverse of 1 plus square root x plus 16. Okay, that is for the number 10. Okay, now we go to number 11. I think number 11 is the last question for this paper. Okay, we have this picture. Okay. Find the alpha. Let's see. Okay, we have to find the gradient first, each of them. So this is the gradient for this one, is the gradient for this curve, and then this is for this curve. Okay, we have to find the dy over dx first for x plus 1 of half. So dy over dx equals to half times 4x plus 1 is half times 4. Or it is 2 times 4x plus 1 is half. And the other one is for half square plus 1. So dy over dx equals to x, only x. And then I will substitute the x with this 2 from this 2. So 2 times 4 times 2 is 1 is half, 8, 9, 3, 2 over 3. And then this, of course, this is 2. Okay. And then to find the alpha, so you have to see, okay, let me try to sketch it. So this is like this, then we have like this. This is the alpha. So if I prolong, or if I make it become like this will become right triangle. So okay, so that alpha is the angle of this. Let us say this is alpha 1, this is big one is alpha 2. So alpha equals to alpha 2 minus alpha 1. So okay, let me draw it bigger so you can see it more clearly. So we have this, and we have this. And then if we make it become like this is the alpha, the one that we want to find. The small one, I will consider it is alpha 1. And then the big one, it is alpha 2. So the alpha angle equals to alpha 2 minus alpha 1. Okay, we can find alpha 1 by what? By using tan. So we must know this is actually y, and then this is x, right? So that's why alpha 1, it is what? Tan alpha 1 equals to y over x. Or alpha 1, we can change it become tan inverse y over x. Y over x is what? It is gradient. So alpha 1 is actually tan inverse the gradient. So we can change this alpha 2 and alpha 1 become alpha equals to alpha 2 is tan inverse the gradient of alpha 2 minus with tan inverse the gradient of alpha 1. And then we can change it already. This, the top one, it is 2. So, okay, I will tan inverse 2 minus tan inverse over 3. Because This one is the gradient 2 over 3. This is the gradient 2. Okay, let us calculate the tan inverse 2. Tan inverse 2 minus with tan inverse over 3. So I got 29.74 degree. So we got 29.74 degree. Okay, that is the alpha. That is for the I. And then for the II, it asks us to find the integration, the area, the shaded area. Okay. For the shaded area, we just see this is the top minus with the bottom. So, okay, I will find the top one first, the integration. The limit is 0 until 2. 0 until 2. 4x plus 1 to the power of half dx. And then the other one is 0 until 2. It is half x squared plus 1 dx. So if I integrate it, I will get this will become 4x plus 1 about 3 over 2 is equal divided by 3 over 2. And then the differentiation of the inside of the bracket is 4 divided by 4. And we have 2, 0. This I will simplify. Become 6. So 4x plus 1 about 3 over 6, 0. Okay, I will put inside 2. 2 times 4 is 8 plus 1, 9, and then square 3. 3 to the power of 3, 27. 7 over 6. Then I put 0 minus with 0, 0, 1. So 1 over 6. So I got 26 over 6. And then for the other one, okay, I will integrate it directly. This is x to the power of 3, 1 over 6 plus x to 0. So this will become 2 to the power of 3. It is 8. So 8 over 6 plus 2, then 0. So minus 0. So I will this should be 6, 12, 6. So 20 over 6. 20 over 6. So the shaded area, this should be the top one is this minus with the bottom one. So 26 over 6 minus 20 over 6. So it should be 6 over 6, or it is 1. Okay, that is for number 11. Okay, so I think that is the last question for this paper. Yeah, this quite unique for this number 11 because it is very rare to see. It asks you to find the angle in the coordinate geometry. So please be careful, everyone. Okay, I think that's it for today for this paper. I hope it can help you for your 2024 exam later. Okay, Happy New Year, everyone. See you again in the next video.